Nepal for me, guys, is more cultural, more religious, guys. Because every distant mile I go, I will find temple. I used to find temple. I used to find the architecture of Nepal, guys, which is something amazing. And here, this country, like they are really very good in preserving their local or their ancestors old stuff and the architecture, guys. Because whatever was old, now they are still renewing it. They are still renewing everything. I saw one thing like this also in this one, guys, during the Newari festival, guys. They said this one they used to give wine for the older time, like during when the elder people of Nepal, like these big people, when they sit around, this is what they use and they take wine with it. And I also tried the Nepali wine, guys. You can go and check the video. Yeah, there is some statues here. I don't know, guys, but you can read it because it's written. Everything is written in Nepali, guys. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know where I'm moving, but I'm just exploring, guys. I think when I'm tired and done with everything, that is when I can start asking people to tell me the exact road. The city is so beautiful, man. I don't know which road is this, colored with green and white.